Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Excel Appendor tool. So let's get into the video. So first open the Excel Appendor, click upload, select your files, so done. Next you have two modes. So by sheet name all in one. So by sheet name, what is by sheet name and where do you apply this? So let's take an example of 10 2A workbooks. So this data looks like B2B, B2BA and there is multiple sheets. Now when you want to append this, you want to append only B2BA sheets and B2BA sheets in across 10 sheets. So you don't want to mess up with any other sheets. So this mode ensures that every sheet names with similar names are being organized one below one and appending them so everything stays organized. So what is all-in-one mode and where do you apply? So if in case of bank statements where you have 12 different sheets and you want to ignore the sheet name and just append one below one and stack the data one below one. So here is the example of the bank statement where you have multiple sheets starting from April to March and this data you want to append one below one. Here you apply all in one. So next see about the other feature we have. So it is match by column name. So in a case where you have multiple columns and the column names are in a jumbled up order. Let's say the column names are ABCD and in the subsequent sheets you have DCBA. So across sheets you might have columns jumbled up. So in those cases you can use this feature which automatically detects the column names and orders it and appends by the column names. This feature will basically ensure that column A is appended below column A across every sheets. So till now we are seeing easy option. So let's get into the advanced options. So when you know specifically what sheet you want, so you can just click here, enter the specific sheet that you want, and if you have any multiple other sheets also you can specifically click. So you can use this advanced feature when you know exactly what you want from the data. So when you have a specific requirement where your client gives data across multiple sheets with different sheet names. Let's say the first data has a combination of sheet name as data. The second combination can be data 1. So the third combination can be data 2. So when a client gives data like this, you can just list all the different combinations and just give apply. So the program will automatically detect the sheet name having certain combinations of data and pull those specific sheets and append for you. So once you know which type of data you have and which mode you want to use, just click the mode, just click the feature that you want. So click append, it will process the file and you will probably get in few seconds. So here you can see file, number of files, number of sheet names and the number of rows. So just hit download. If you open the data, you can see two columns additionally added. So these columns are basically source file and sheet name. So source file is nothing but from which specific file this data has been sourced are being listed here, so you can track and follow back. In case if you're lost and don't know how to use this tool, just don't forget to use the how to use button. So here you will find how to use and the features listed here. Hope you find this tool very useful. So if you have any features that you want in this tool to be part of, you can let us know, and if you have any issues, please let us know that too. Thank you.